Okay, we're here at the barn today. Had a little issue with our quick disconnect couplers leaking. Just really the top one here. I've already pulled it, so I'm going to take a look at this. I just taped it up good in case we got some bad weather or whatnot. I don't want to get any debris in here or contamination into the system. So it was this top one here. You can see I got to clean that out a little bit, but this was leaking, this coupler. So the correct part number for this guy here is 6679837. This is a coupler that's pretty standard on these type of units here. Pastor, and that's the model number of the housing that it screws into, 4BD4FF112. Very standard. So the top one's a male fitting. You want to make sure you locate the correct one. I was able to find it at one of the local Bobcat dealers around here. This is what it looks like. You're going to want to make sure when you bring your old one that it has the same amount of O-rings and looks the same, and that you don't get this little guy down here. You want to get the one that comes out of here. All right, it's kind of spring loaded. Came out pretty easy with a pair of pump pliers. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this up and install the new one. The other thing to keep in mind here is if you look up in there, there's a spring. You don't want to lose that spring. So when you put this thing back together, it's got the correct spring in there. So let's go ahead and see how this goes. Okay, we got it in. Had to push in pretty good because I had that spring in there, and then just keep screwing it in. And then I snugged it up just with a pair of these channel locks. It wasn't super tight when it came out. The leak was happening in here and then kind of coming out around this area here on the connector. So we're going to try to hook it up again, and we'll see how it does. Hopefully it doesn't leak. The leak was coming right in here. I'm going to go ahead and try to work the grapple a little bit and see what happens. Say we got it fixed. I don't see any dripping. It was pouring out before, just at that where that coupler slid over. So I tried a couple different attachments and it was still leaking, so I knew it wasn't the coupler on the hoses. So it turned out to be that particular coupler right there. So hope this helps you all. Pretty easy fix. It takes about 30 minutes. Don't forget to check your hydraulic level afterwards, because you will lose a little hydraulic fluid when you pull the first one out. Same thing. If you have to do the bottom one, you probably lose even a little more. All right. Have a good day. Good luck.